Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so for pumpkin hair for the show, we have hair pieces that go straight in here. So there should be no part. If you see, like, I have a part in my hair, we don't want to do that for this show this year. So what you're going to start with is going crazy with some hairspray. Close your eyes. There you go. And I'm saying go crazy because you really do need to go crazy with it. Okay. Shay's our little demonstrator today. And you're going to comb back their hair. Say hi, Shay.
Hi.
You're going to comb back their hair as neatly as possible. And that's why hairspray is really helpful. And also doing their hair wet is sometimes really helpful. Hair tie, Shay? I'll use this one. So we're gonna pull for this show. We want the bun to be kind of a little bit lower. It's called the nape of the neck right here. And again, keep it really clean. Pull all those wispies back. And you're gonna pull into as clean of a ponytail as possible. It takes a few tries, to be honest. And so then you're gonna have a really tight ponytail. Try to have the ponytail holder be the color of their hair. This is a really weak ponytail. You should have a thick one for all of these ages. So, Shay, you're gonna tuck your chin to your chest, just like that. And what you do is I'll take them out, right? Okay. You're going to twist their hair to the point where it pops like this and it becomes kind of like a donut. And this is the tricky part. You take the bobby pin. It has to be a bobby pin like this, not closed bobby pins. Closed bobby pins are really not helpful. And you're gonna go.
I only have one of those.
Okay, well, Mom will get plenty. Push it in, flip it, push it down. And you're just gonna repeat that process for a few all around until the bun is done. Push it in, flip it, press it. And I know I'm really good at this, but I've been doing it for like 30 years. Push it, flip it, press it. Push it, flip it, press it. And it's not the most comfortable thing, right, Shay? Mm-hmm. It's a little tight and stuff like that, but that's why they have really good tight buns. And then we are going to, oh, that's not a good one. Let me get a different one for that side. So you complete what I call a donut. You okay, Shay?
Yeah.
Good. Shay, let's turn this way so that they can see. It becomes a round donut. So then you're going to take your hairnet. And again, this needs to match the dancer's hair color. This is wrong. You need to have a blonde hairnet for Shay, but for someone like Zoe, that's perfect. This is the wrong style bobby pin for doing buns. This bobby pin should go right along here. If the dancer has any wispies, it tucks it in. So next you're gonna go with your hairnet around the bun, twist it, and just keep going until it's all the way around. Just like that. Chin to your chest, Shay. Then you take a few of the bobby pins out and secure the hairnet the same way that you secured the bobby pins before. So last little visual, you press it in. Oh, that one doesn't have an edge on it, so it's a little hard. Press it in, flip it, twist, push it in, and there she is. So that is your ballet bun. So then at the theater, see how she has no part up here? There's no part. That's when the comb and their headpiece just goes right in like that. And this is the same hair for pumpkins, birds, mice, and servants. Say thank you.
Thank you.